Welcome to Brain Tornado Quiz. Think you can crack the emoji code? Test your skills and see if you can guess the compound word from just 2 emojis. Play along and challenge your friends. How many can you get right? First question, can you guess the word? Correct. The answer is goldfish. Second question, can you guess the word? The answer is monkey cap. Third question. Nice, it's ice fish. Next question, can you guess the word? Well done, it's treehouse. Next question. That's the right answer, it's a doghouse. Can you guess the word? Very easy, isn't it? It's popcorn. Can you guess the word? It's ice cream. Next question. It's beach ball. Next question. It's keychain. Can you guess the word? Perfect. It's firewood. 11th question, can you guess the word? It's carrot cake. Next question. Nice! The answer is handbook. Next question. Is it still easy? The answer is eggshell. Next question. The answer is mailbox. Can you guess the word? It's raindrop. Can you guess the word? Amazing! It's cornbread. Next question. You got it right. It's phone book. Next question. It's coconut ice cream. Can you guess the word? It's dragon fruit. Can you guess the word? Absolutely right. It's songwriter. Next question. It's keynote. Next question. You got it right. It's French toast. Can you guess the word? It's world traveler. Can you guess the word? It's gold medal. Can you guess the word? Amazing! It's stargazer. Next question. It's spellbook. Next question. You got it right. It's bicycle race. Can you guess the word? Very easy, isn't it? It's cheeseburger. Can you guess the word? It's dog paw. Can you guess the word? It's Celian. How many of your answers were correct? Can you tell me on the comment below? Choose your next challenge. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.